So we're Enviro Systems Incorporated. We're an aerospace company located in Seminole, of course. We make environmental control products, which is a fancy way of saying air conditioning. We do a little bit more than that. We make cabin pressure control systems and bleed air systems. We have some really great customers across the globe. We've got Cessna as a customer, Textron, Embraer, Pilatus. So we're normally on aircraft that are 10 seats or less and on helicopters as well. So we're the market leader in that space. So if you fly on one of those aircraft, you're more than likely to be cooled off by one of our systems. We're an aerospace company, but we design, manufacture, and repair our products. So that requires a lot of different types of talents and different types of skills. So it really starts with engineering for us, because that's where the product life cycle starts. You got to be able to design the product first. We've been fortunate enough to recruit 25 engineers from all over the country, really all over the world. But fundamentally, we found some great engineers here in Oklahoma. We've got great engineering schools at Oklahoma State. And then from a production standpoint, we have some of the best career techs in the country here. Oil and gas is a big industry here in Oklahoma. That requires a lot of very mechanically savvy folks, and we're fortunate enough to get some of the best from that industry to come over to aerospace and be part of our repairs. And then you've got to have a whole group of folks that are the functional people that support it. So you've got to have financial people, human resources folks, planning, purchasing. For a town our size, I mean, we've got some of the best facilities really in Oklahoma. And so I think it's a natural place for families that really want to focus on raising their families and have a professional life. We've put a lot of attention into education recently. We've got one of the best children's museums literally in the country here in Seminole. We have some great walking trails. We have a wellness center. We have a really engaged community. Enviro is somewhat of a microcosm of the town. People want to live here, people want to work in Enviro, and it's really because the quality of life is pretty high for this part of the world. They've got a broader vision of just the region, and they know that impacting the region is going to impact Seminole as well. The part of what we're doing is trying to recruit other aerospace companies here. We're growing beyond our infrastructure here. We're adding on 50,000 square feet. We're going to be here for the next 30 or 40 years, and we're going to double in growth over the next 5 years. And a big reason of that is because of the workforce in the town we're in.